Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today we will tell you how we replace the combined glass electrode of our pH meter. Actually, if you the pH meter have in good condition and you have changed internally KCl saturated solution, even though this is not working, try to change the pH 4.0, 7.0, 9.2 buffer solution, and then accordingly the machine makeup you see whether it is working or not. If it is not working, then try to replace the new one what? Glass electrode. The many model of the machine have different glass electrode. Nowadays iron glass electrode also available, plastic also available in the market, but for better viewing and good accuracy of the result, it is advisable to use glass electrode only for especially pH meter in commercial industries as well as in the commercial laboratories. If you are not using, why I recommend this glass electrode now, because it is very easy to wash, however difficult to maintain, handling. But if you take care of this, actually it is advisable to change this within 6 months, but it depend upon sample. So many scientists and people using glass electrode year together. It is not a bad thing, we can use also, but the things we have to look after the careness. Calibration must be done time to time, buffer solution should be maintained, and the pH meter glass electrode tips should be keep inside the pH 4 or 7.0, or if it is anything not available, you should simply keep in the distilled water, but you have to keep it, otherwise it will disturb your reading and make a question mark over your finding in accuracy. So now we will tell you how to do the process. Let us start the things. You see what we do now. First we will check this machine properly, connect with this power plug and see, put it any solution and press this pH reading to get it any material and find out any problem. The machine itself indicate error 1, error 2, error 3, error 4, like that. If it is error 1 means bad electrode or bad buffer solution. If it is 2, your printer is not connected properly. If it is 3, again required calibration, and if it is 4, change the buffer solution, like that. So now we are putting buffer solution 4.0 as per machine motherboard demand. If we put buffer 4.0, what will happen now? Let the wait for machines and see the correct decision what the machine automatic calibrating. Now I put new pH, you see blue color, just for finding. It is checking because previously it was not work with the existing electrode. So now I replace this electrode by new one and putting in the just temporarily in the glass, and machine required put 4.0 solution. Now we are putting 4.0 solution. You see, after putting 4.0 solution, again we'll press pH and enter water. You see, we entered the same. Now machine showing busy. You see busy, it will take just 27 to 30 seconds. Meanwhile I tell you, it is must to put machine in auto mode for temperature, or otherwise you have to calculate each and every time whenever you start the machine. So better that for thermal proper reason you keep this machine always in the auto mode, and it will be stable and it will work also for long time. Now it is showing put solution, again they put busy, the machine comes to their stable mode, again so means Really, this was the problem of the electrode, I guessed, my dear. That is why machine is taking time. So let us see. It shows 3.99 in temperature 32.3 degree. It means what? That the machine is calibrated well. 3.99 is nothing but 4.0 buffer. It's because we put in the 4.0. What indicates now? It indicates that the existing electrode is now expired. It's not working, and the new is working. So now machine condition is told that we should replace the electrode by new one. So now we are replacing this electrode. Okay. For that purpose, it is very important to stick upon the technician who supplied the machine or who manufactured the machine. The branded electrode will give you beautiful result. Otherwise, the machine will not get calibrated well, and there is question mark of the accuracy of the reading what you will see. So better guys, what you think that this machine PH Systonic 361 I am keeping more than 18 year and working well. Take care.